Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're gonna change our theme a little bit. So here, I'm gonna ask some questions from my city's citizens. The questions will be about IELTS, so it's a great chance for us to know their knowledge about IELTS. If you're interested in continue watching this video. Assalomu alaykum qadrli obunachilarim. Bugungi videoda mavzuni salgina o'zgartirgan holda shahrimiz aholilaridan ularning IELTS haqidagi bilimlarini bilish uchun savollarni so'rab qolamiz. Agar qiziqqan bo'lsangiz ko'rishni davom eting. If you're interested in continue watching this video. Let's go. Assalamu alaikum, yaxshimisiz? Now we wanted to ask you a few questions about IELTS. Are you ready? Okay. So, how many parts are they in IELTS? I mean sections.
Well, there are 4 parts. There are an English type of types. There are writing, reading, listening, and speaking.
Thank you. And how many times is allocated for reading task?
1 hour allocated reading task. And
yeah,
so on.
Thank you for your answers. Goodbye.
Thank you for you. Goodbye.
Come on. Assalomu alaykum. Sizga IELTS haqida ozroq savol bermoqchimiz. Tayyormisiz? IELTSning speaking turida qaysi partda 2 minutlik beriladi?
Part 2da 2 minut kartochka beriladi. O'sha kartochkada savollarga 2 minut ichida javob berishingiz kerak bo'ladi.
To'g'ri, birinchi savolga to'g'ri javob. Ikkinchi savolimiz reading bilan listeningda savollar soni nechtadan?
Listeningda 40 ta savol bo'ladi va 40 minut beradi. Readingda ham 40 ta savol bo'ladi. Unga 1 soat vaqt beradi.
Katta rahmat, savollarga barchasiga to'g'ri javob berdingiz. Assalomu alaykum. Hozir IELTSga taalluqli bir ikkita savol bermoqchiman. Javob bera olasizmi? Boshladik. IELTS writingda nechta task bor?
2 ta task bor. Birinchisi report, ikkinchisi essay.
Katta rahmat, sog' bo'ling. To'g'ri javob. Assalomu alaykum.
Assalomu alaykum.
Hozir bir ikkita savol bermoqchiman. IELTSga taalluqli javob bera olasizmi?
Mayli.
Xo'sh, birinchi savolimiz writing yozishga necha daqiqa vaqt beriladi? Necha soat?
1 soat bo'lsa kerak.
To'g'ri. Katta rahmat, sog' bo'ling. Assalomu alaykum. Hozir IELTS haqida bir ikkita savol bermoqchimiz. Javob bera olasizmi?
Balkim javob beraman.
Birinchi savolimiz O'zbekistondagi qaysi tashkilotlar orqali IELTS topshirsa bo'ladi?
O'zbekistonda 2 ta tashkilot bor, IDP va British Council.
Javob to'g'ri va yana bitta savol, ularning orasidagi asosiy farq nimada?
Adashmasam farq yo'q.
Javob to'g'ri, katta rahmat, sog' bo'ling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So this was my first video and there will be another one, so if you like them, please let me know them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.